Hello guys, what's up? Today we are gonna be learning how to solve a Rubik's cube. Okay, first you need to know the basics. The basics are the notations. If the notation says R, turn it right side but clockwise. If it says R but with an apostrophe, turn it counterclockwise. If the notation says not left, a left side with an apostrophe, then turn it up like this because it's counterclockwise. See, if it says and left side with a no apostrophe, turn it clockwise. If the notation says D but with an apostrophe, turn it counterclockwise. If it says D with an apostrophe, turn it clockwise. No, D with no apostrophe, turn it clockwise. If it says F, means turn the front side. That means the side that you're looking at. Like F, if there's an F with an apostrophe, then turn it counterclockwise. F with no apostrophe, turn it clockwise. If it says B, that means back. This one will work kind of differently. If it says an apostrophe, turn it counterclockwise. With no apostrophe, turn it clockwise. Well, those are the basics. Now one more thing you should learn. Now the layers. This is the first layer, second layer, third layer. Just like the stories of buildings. Like this, like that. In the corner, first the corner piece. The corner piece has three colors on it. Like these pieces. This is called a centerpiece. It cannot move anywhere. It cannot move at all. How much you can scramble it? The yellow stays opposite to white. The green stays opposite to blue. And red stays opposite to orange. How much you even scramble it, it still stays like that. Okay, now these are the edge pieces. The edge pieces has two colors on them. This two colors. Like these pieces. The edge pieces are between the corner pieces. Okay, here we go. Let's start. First step, you need to make a white cross. This is a very easy way to make a white cross. First, you should make a daisy flower. Okay, after making a daisy flower, you need to connect one edge, then bring the one edge down. Then connect the next edge with the centerpiece, then bring it down. Then connect the last two edges with the centerpiece, then bring it down. Like that, we made a white cross. It was so easy. Okay, the second step, you need to learn an algorithm. Algorithms are some sequence of moves that should be used to solve a cube or you couldn't. Here's the algorithm that you should learn. These are the basics. R, U, not R, not U. Practice that and not U, L, U. Practice those algorithms till you can do it automatically with your hands. By the way, one more thing from the notations. If there's a number 2 on the notation, means you should turn it 2 times. Okay, well, after doing that, after practicing the notations, let's wait till you practice. Done. Okay, well, now we are going to solve the first layer. Okay. Suppose if you see this white piece, okay, you need to bring it to its correct area. It says blue, red and white. You need to bring it here. Blue, red and white. Suppose it says like that. Bring it there. Okay. Wait. Something's wrong. Okay, well, this is kind of wrong. Okay, well, let's learn the algorithm. Okay, you should, can you please turn your head a little bit right? Because you should do this algorithm. Right? Yeah, like that. You should do this algorithm. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Do it till this white side is facing to the cross. Done. Here's, it's facing to the white cross. Suppose like that. Okay, now suppose if you see green, red and white, bring it to green, red and white area. Here, right here, green, red and white. If you see green, red and white, bring it there. And face it towards your right. Now do the same algorithm. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Until it's down. That one took one move because the white was facing right there. This one it will take two right Yads. R, U, not R, not U, R, U, not R, not U, R, U, not R, not U. Done. We finished the second step. The third step is to solve the second layer. This one is kind of hard to understand, but you can. If you see an edge piece with, you should from the top you should search for an edge piece with no yellow on it. Suppose this one, but this one has yellow. This one, these two don't have, so if just choose one and insert it. This, if it needs to go to the right here, then do this algorithm. U, R, U, not R, not U. Then look at here. Then do, wait. Then do this, then do not front, not U, front. Then we got that second layer edge there. Now do the same to other pieces. Just like this one. Bring it there. Can you please turn your head till this yellow side is up right here? This is difficult. Okay, I'm so sorry. Well, you should do this algorithm. R, if it needs to go here, still you should do this algorithm. R, U, okay, look, like this. If it needs to go here, do this same algorithm. U, R, U, not U, not R, not U. Then, after that, not front, not up, front. Right there. Suppose if you see that green piece, well, search for an edge piece which connecting. Suppose, okay, if this piece needs to go there, do this algorithm. Look, if this piece needs to go there, but without this area breaking, do this algorithm. Look at the side, look at the front side, the green, if the side where the hold is in the back of you, like this. Then do R2, U2, R2, U2, R2. And it's here. Okay, now we are going to insert this piece into here. This is a different algorithm because this one needs to go here, not right here. Do this algorithm then. Not U, not L, not U, L, L, U, then, wait, then front, not U, not front. Then we completed the second layer. Okay, now we're going to make a yellow cross. Okay, suppose if it's a line, if you have a line case, hold it horizontally like this and do this algorithm. Okay, do this algorithm. Front, R, U, wait, U, not R, not U, not front. And we solve the yellow cross. Okay. Okay, wait. Suppose if you have the L-shaped case, then do this algorithm. front, R, U, not R, not U, R, U, not R, not R, not U again, then not front. Voila, we solved the yellow cross. Okay, now we're going to be solving the yellow, the top edges. That means we're going to be connecting the edges of the yellow cross. Suppose if these two need to swap, then do this algorithm. Wait, okay, do it. Okay, well, if these two need to swap, then hold it this way and do this algorithm. R, U, not R, U, R, U2, not R, U. Then check if all the edges are connected. If all of them are connected, then it's okay. If after connecting one, then the others are not connected, do the same thing. If all are connected without even doing the algorithm, then congratulations, you skip the step. Okay, now we're almost finished learning. Now we're gonna make all the top corners in the correct position. If all of them are not correct, do this algorithm. U, R, not U, not L, U, not R, not U, not L. If just one is connected, then do the same algorithm. Hold the one connected on the right, then do the same algorithm. Okay, U, R, not U, not L, U, not R, not U, L. And if it's still not connected, do it again. Then all of them are connected. Now you should turn your cube upside down till the white side is at the top. Then you need to do this algorithm. R, U, not R, not U, till that yellow side is facing down. If it's connecting here, then bring it down. This one is right down, right? Now bring this down here till it's on your right. Then do the same algorithm till the yellow is facing down. Now till the yellow is facing down. Now turn the downside again. Downside clockwise. Okay, remember that. If they're not still correct, then do this algorithm still. Till the yellow is facing down. Then if it's right here, then do it again, bring it there, then do the same algorithm till the yellow is facing down. Congratulations, you finished. Well, that's it for today's video. Enjoy with your cube solved. Bye.